Hello, my name is Jody Werkheiser, and I am the Co-Department Chair for the Business, Computer, and Engineering Technology Department. And I am here today to welcome all of the young women in our area to join in on our Women in Manufacturing Summit coming in February. You will have the opportunity to meet several of our very talented instructors in the engineering, technology, manufacturing area. You'll hear from speakers, you'll hear from women in the industries that tell you what their jobs are like and what their experiences are. You'll have the opportunity to do hands-on activities for those of you that really enjoy working with your hands. We are really trying to make this a very well-rounded experience for young women so they can look at manufacturing as an opportunity and a career. Manufacturing isn't just running a machine anymore. There are a lot of opportunities in design, development, research that are available to all young women. That's why I feel that the opportunities that you would have exploring these fields at our Women in Manufacturing Summit would be so beneficial to at least give you an idea of where you may go. We think of manufacturing as being dark, dirty, and dangerous, and no longer is that the case. You have many, many opportunities in the facilities now that are bright, they're well lit, they're very clean. They offer a number of opportunities for women to go in and show their strength in what they do. I did work at a manufacturing company and I loved every minute of it. So I encourage everyone to look at the manufacturing industry and see what might fit for what you want to do in your future. Registration is open right now. We encourage you to get online at bhc.edu and look for our registration. The event will be held on February 24th at the Quad City campus.